What up, everybody? Happy Sunday to you. I hope you're enjoying your weekend so far. My name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and I got a request of one of the viewers to do the spying and the reviewing creatives on native ads as well. So in this last week, we did a couple of videos on reviewing Facebook ads of Clickbank offers. So now we are going to do the same thing, but then for Nutra native ads. So let's dive in. All right, cool. Let's do this. We're going to do some spying. We're going to do some reviewing on headlines and give you some advice on how to build your creatives and how not to build your creatives. So let's dive in. But before we do, let me tell you that the Deberoo beta of the Deberoo suite is almost going live. So if you haven't done so yet, make sure to go to the link below and sign up for the beta waiting list to get free access of this beta test of the Deberoo suite, where you can have all the tools and all the support that you need for your affiliate marketing journey. So make sure to sign up using the link below this video. All right, let's dive in. So the request was, Stanley, can you please do the reviewing and the spying on the creatives that you did for Facebook ads, also for native ads using Nutra Clickbank. So let's go to the marketplace, which we're at right now. We go to health and fitness, and we go to diets and weight loss. That's what we're going to focus on today. I am going to sort the results on gravity to see, okay, what is really popping right now. What are a lot of affiliates promoting so that we get some more results that we can review. So at the top of the list, we got this custom keto diet, brand new keto diet offer, insane conversions, multiple languages including French and Spanish. Check out our fully customized flow for yourself and see why we have such insane conversions. Cash in on the multi-million-dollar keto craze today. Awesome. So that's what we're going to focus on. This is the offer page right here. So it's a VSL. I am not going to watch it today because we're going to focus on creatives. And then let's look at the affiliate page. And okay, we don't need the affiliate page. Let's just dive in. So for today, we are going to focus on native ads. So we're going to spy on native ads. And I am using Anstrax. So Anstrax is a spy tool for native and push ads. So if you haven't done so yet, sign up for Anstrax. I'll make sure to post a link for that below this video as well. And we do spying right now to review some creatives and to give you some tips on how you should create your creatives. But also you use the spy tool to gather information about the market and about your vertical. Look what's popping, look what's working, what's not working, and get some inspiration, right? So when you go to a spy tool, I am going to the spy tool to review, right? To give you tips on like, okay, this affiliate is doing this well and this not. But you can do the same thing. Go to a spy tool and see what you like and dislike about the creatives of other people and get your inspiration from them that way. So let's see, we are going to search for keto. And there are a lot of different keto diet offers, so we will get a lot of different results as well. So these are all the keto results, but as you can see, they are in a lot of languages. Like I cannot read this. So we are going to specify on language, and I want English. I want to see English ads for this one. And country, I don't really mind the country because we can basically, it doesn't matter where it runs, we are just going to review it. But you might want to specify on the specific country that you are looking to promote in. All right, and there are a lot of other filters that you can sort on. So let's say days running. We can put that up to see what is running for at least 2 weeks, 14 days. So this would give the suggestion that these ads are somewhat maybe profitable, but at least potential. Because if after 14 days your campaign doesn't show any potential, you would probably already have shut it off, right? Because you don't want to spend money on something that's not working. All right, let's see. We got Alpha Femme Keto. Meet Brazilian woman looking for mature men. Okay. Whatever, I'm gonna skip that. Looks like something else. Drink this exactly before sleep and your fat burns like crazy. Okay, this image, it doesn't do it for me. It has somewhat a curiosity because I don't know what the fuck it is, but it doesn't pop and it doesn't interest me to learn what it is instead. So, not the best picture. The headline is okay. Drink this exactly. I don't like the wording of drink this exactly before sleep, but yeah, they could have done a better job. They could have been more creative, basically. It's a very basic ad. Then right here, we've got a before and after picture of somebody lying on the couch, and then diet for lazy. 23 kilograms in 1 month, no exercise required. Another basic headline, right? You've seen this before and you'll see it in the future. 1 cup of this before sleep and 16 kilograms will vanish in 1 month. Okay, better. And then these are other kinds of ads. Let's see. So I want to look something with a new angle, a unique angle. So let's see what is really popping. So this is like, what is it, right? Looks like nuts or something. I don't know. But that curiosity is already there of like, okay, what is that? Lose up to 13 kilograms a week without dieting or exercise. So the headline is weak. The image is okay. It could have been more colorful, more popping, where you would really grab the attention of your audience. I'm going to skim through for a little bit, see if anything is really jumping out of the page. This might be a good one. Is this keto diet? And then you see the fat and the egg and the bacon and all that stuff. Is this keto diet? Because everybody thinks with diet of like, I can't eat anything, I've got to eat like a rabbit and eat lettuce and that kind of stuff all day. So if you see that picture, that might be refreshing. Now, it's not really a picture that pops off the page, and if you see this on a website, you might scroll through it without even recognizing it, but it is a somewhat unique way of using the image. And then 28-day keto diet meal plan, your body can burn fat 24/7. Okay, the headline is weaker than the image. I expected a little bit more there, but let's see if we can find something else. So we have this right here, which looks like food, but it's not really popping. So it's kind of the same angle as this one, right? It's food that is probably not very good for you if you want to lose weight. And then with the angle, you can still eat this by just using this product and you would still lose weight. Let's see if we can find something else, something out of the ordinary. So these pictures you see a lot as well. And if you see them a lot, it is probably working for other affiliates. But let me tell you right now, you will always get better results when you create a unique creative angle. Always better results. So don't go like, oh, these are working, so I'm just going to rip them all and use them myself, because your results will probably be mediocre. I'm not saying you can make a profit off it, but you will always have better results if you can find that really unique, specific angle that you want to approach. So this is interesting. This is black coffee. There's not a whole lot of contrast in the picture, but it still caught my attention. Best diet for lazy people, up to 70 kilograms in 3 weeks, no workouts. And then you see the Headline is once again pretty basic, right? We've seen that before, and yeah, it's just the usual. Let's see if we can find some other creative angles and pictures. So maybe some ingredients that look disgusting, or something that, whoa, what is this? What is this? Is this a keto diet? One simple trick to restore your eyes to 20/20 vision. Try this. Okay, so not really what we're looking for this specific video, since I got asked to really look for native ads specifically, but you might see now what I'm trying to say. The picture that looks out of content, that looks a little bit weird, because what the fuck is going on here? Like, huh? Right? Those kind of reactions are the reactions that you want from your audience. Because they will go like, whoa, what is that? Read your headline, and if your headline is good, makes sense to the image, and follows the flow, it will get a lot of clicks. And then if your lander follows that same coherent flow, you are more likely to push more conversions than you ever did before on any of these stock campaigns with the stock headlines and the stock images, right? So, good approach, interesting image, but not the vertical that we're looking for. So this is aloe vera. It looks weird, but you can still recognize it, and it's pretty known that it's aloe vera, or however you pronounce it. This is weed, all right? It has nothing to do with keto diet, I think, but okay. So let me search for something else. Let me just search for weight loss. Whoops. All right, weight loss. I think I misspelled that, but whatever. I definitely misspelled that. There we go. All right, let's take a look. So we will probably get some of the same results, but that doesn't really matter. So let's see. This kind of looks pretty weird, but it's just tomato in water. Top dog, this is the #1 weight loss fruit. Weak headline though, weak headline. Now this is interesting. It's too bad that it's not in English, but it's an interesting picture, because what the fuck is in this jar? What is that? And if you then would have a headline that jumps on that says like, I don't know, secret ingredient helps burn fat easier than ever before, or the protein of insects will increase your metabolism. You know, something like that. This might be insects. I don't know what it is. I can't tell. But if I suggest to the audience that it's insects, and that the protein in that insect will help you lose weight by stimulating your metabolism, then that might be a good angle. And if you continue that on the lander, that campaign might become very successful. Now, what is this? Just bananas? Just bananas. Don't go bananas, man. Alright, what else? So this is a weird fruit. Oh, this catches my eye, because it looks like eyes, right? And it's popping red with the eyeballs coming out on a green background with the leaves. So good contrast between the red and the green, and good contrast with these eye-looking things that come out of the red. You see that? This one just pops open. This one didn't catch the attention, but it looks weird as you look longer at the picture. It starts to look weirder and weirder. Let's take a look at the headline. 49-pound weight loss transformation thanks to this weird fruit. All right. So the headline is okay, but I would personally like to see. So they do use the weird fruit in the headline, which is good, but I like to see something that makes it newsworthy, right? if you write a article for a news website or whatever, you would write about something that's new or that's shocking or that not everybody knows, but everybody should know, right? That's journalism. So try to write headlines like that. So for example, for this one, you might still use that 49-pound weight loss transformation thanks to this weird fruit, but in a different context. So maybe Scientologists found a new fruit that makes you lose 49 pounds of weight loss. Something like that. Something with an angle of like, oh my God, we found some. How did we never saw this before? This makes your problem that you're facing so easy. You don't have to go through all those pain points of going to the gym, not eating what you want, etc., etc., etc. Because we have this new solution that we've never found, so you don't know about it, but here it is, take it. And that's basically the flow that you want to get the audience in, right? So use a coherent flow and use a newsworthy headline that will get you those clicks. All right? And then when they click on the ad, they will obviously go to the landing page, which is this one. That looks pretty basic to me. It's a VSL lander, but let's see if we can visit this. So it's a VSL lander because the offer page is probably a VSL as well. So one last tip, a side note, not really about creatives, but on the landing pages, if you have a there are a lot of here. If you have a VSL landing page, make sure on your main image, so I'm gonna show you right now, right here, put a play button. Make it look like that's the actual video, so that if the audience clicks on play and basically tells you I want to see the video, because if you click on play on the video, then you want to see it. But if they click on this image, they get redirected to the VSL and they still get to watch that video just on another page, right? So get that play button on there and make the image clickable so that they actually redirect to the offer page. And then that's gonna be it for today. I hope you had a lovely Sunday and a lovely weekend. Tomorrow we'll be back as usual. And don't forget to sign up for the beta waiting list, because we are almost going live and we almost gonna give access to the first users for our beta test of the Deberoo suite. And you can join completely for free. Joining the beta is completely free. So make sure to sign up for the beta waiting list. And I put the link down below this video. So click on the link, fill in your details, and you'll get free access to the beta test of the Deberoo suite. That's gonna be it for this one. Have a lovely weekend. Have a lovely rest of your weekend, I should say. And I'll catch you later. Peace out.